Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your first short link with Link Wizard. So we're just going to go right here and we're going to click on the create short link button, and then we're just going to go in and we are going to grab some long link, and we're going to paste that long link right here where it says paste actual URL, and then we're just going to click this shorten URL. Now that we created the shorten URL, now we've got a short link right here. You can see we've got that short link that we've just created, and we can go ahead and copy that URL and we can paste it into our browser, and then that short link will actually redirect to our long link. Now don't worry about this redirection screen. I'm going to show you in another video how to get rid of that really quickly. And as you can see, our short link now redirects to our long link. And just like that, you can go in and create your very first short link in Link Wizard in just a few seconds. In the upcoming videos, we'll go through each and every single one of these options, and if you follow through all the different training videos, you'll understand how to completely use Link Wizard to its fullest capacity. But now you're up and running and you know how to create your very first short link.